Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidley with your Business Bites.
The price of a barrel of oil surged on Monday, reaching its highest level since 2008, as the market responded to talks that the United States and its European allies are considering a ban on Russian oil imports. Global oil prices have sparked about 60% since the start of 2022, raising concerns about global economic growth and stagflation. China, the world's number 2 economy, is targeting slower growth at 5.5% this year. The University of the West Indies, UWI, has inked a deal which will provide well-needed capital to fuel the region's exploration of the blue economy. On Monday, the National Baking Company Foundation signed over a check valued at $130,000 or 20.2 million Jamaican dollars made out to the UWI. The aim is to equip the region with more expertise to take advantage of its vast oceanic resources. To put things into context, the total land mass in the Caribbean is 106,300 square miles, while the area of the Caribbean Sea is 1,063,000 square miles. This data corroborates the likelihood that the Caribbean oceanic resources far outweigh its land resources. Now, while this is well known within the region, few have managed to delve into measuring and taking advantage of the region's true potential with regards to the blue economy.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidley.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.